At what point do we help him?
Hola amigos!
Hola! Welcome to Salento again. We're still here for our third day because there's quite a bit to do here. Lots to do here.
Yeah.
So yeah, today is quite a cool vlog as we're staying in an Ecolodge. So it's kind of like a module we're staying in, a dome sort of building you would have seen in the thumbnail. It looks quite cool. So
Are we staying with a guy who actually made them?
yeah, he built them. He built 3 of them. He built a little communal, well, a big communal area, and it looks really nice. So we're excited to spend the night there. And it's the middle of a reserve in the middle of the Andean rainforest.
And everything there is done so it doesn't affect the forest, it doesn't affect the nature.
It was built from recycled materials and bamboo.
We can't take any shampoos, we can't take any soaps, face washes, nothing, because everything is going down the drain, which the shampoos and soaps would affect the bacteria in water or something like this.
Yeah.
So we're not allowed to do that. I think it's raining shampoos.
It's starting to rain a bit hard now, so we might take a quick pit stop and put our waterproofs on. Let's go. Hello again from a rainy Salento.
Yeah. Actually, this is our 4th day in Salento and first time is raining, which is amazing because they said it rains here every day, so we were lucky.
We've been lucky so far, but now we just need another half an hour and we would have got to the lodge.
Yeah, and it's annoying because the guy from the owner of the lodge said don't walk, don't hike through downpour because soon you will see what the...
Because we have to hike through the forest and some path. He said it can be slippy. He said if it's a downpour, don't do the trail.
But we are from living in England. He's from England, so we thought this is just a normal rain.
This is normal rain. This isn't
we
a downpour.
Call it a downpour.
Not at all.
So we're going to risk and go.
Yeah. So the place we're staying at is Kasaguadua. I'll have to link it. And yeah, it's got several pods which you can stay in, which we'll show you. And
we already been there when we did our...
I better not, it's rain. Yeah, we've already been there.
Because we did a 2-hour tour through the cloud forest with the owner of the lodge, Karkami.
Okay, we had to go away again because it was getting wet. So we're under a bit of shelter now and the rain seems to have calmed down a bit. So this is the entrance, Kasaguadua Natural Reserve. And this is where our lodge is. And see
Hope
what
we
it's
don't
like.
get attacked by bears because we're carrying lots of food.
Milk.
Literally, we've been carrying 40 minutes. You've been carrying opened bag of milk. And I've been carrying this like that.
Yeah, so we bought some stuff in town to take here, the kitchen which we can use. It's about, say about half an hour, 40 minutes walk from the centre of Salento. You can get one of the Jeeps for, I can't remember how much
She said 15.
15,000?
Yeah, but I think that's
quite
a lot
expensive
for what it is.
for a short journey.
Yeah.
So we're going to enter here, go to our lodge.
£3. Yeah.
£3, 15,000. Go see our lodge and go have a look around. And we are almost
In half an hour.
half an hour.
God, they like to lock themselves up, yeah?
We're in. Welcome.
And I assume we're going up, yeah?
Up.
Ow, I just got dribbled on me. And there's a little parking area here.
Now we're in the reserve, let's head to the lodge. Going through the rainforest to find our lodge. Where is it? There's the lodges, there they are. Here we go. So this is the one we'll be staying in. So going straight down to the river. Can I show you to the river?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay. Cash is our tour guide and you got us lost. Well, I don't know where we are. The cool thing about staying in this lodge is you've got the whole reserve to walk around at your will, when you want, if you're bored. It's kind of nice. There's only this guy and 2 other guests here. quite a powerful river. It says we can cross without our shoes on. Caimans? No.
Ah, no, impossible issue.
Nice.
Oh.
You okay? We'll go back through the water again by the sounds of it. Ooh. Yeah.
It's so clear.
Ooh. At what point do we help him?
Ayuda?
Ayuda? Good. Good.
Okay.
Wait.
Finish.
Oh, like pushing you. Yeah.
Okay. We made it. Ah, good. We made it. We're alive. So I'll give you a quick tour of this area. So this is the upstairs communal area. Take your shoes off. Put these sandals on. They give you to walk around everywhere. Nice little sitting area, hammock, fire pit. If you wanted to make something, I'm not entirely sure what this chair is. Is it like, this looks like a dentist chair? So weird. Yeah, I hear the rain and the thunder coming now. So let me give you a quick tour of the rest. So I'll show you the pod in a minute. That's the second pod. So at 5:50 AM we got to get up. Well, we don't have to. We have the option to come up here and meditate for an hour in this. This is known as one of the main areas in Colombia where they practice Buddhism. Let me go show you the pods where we're going to be staying. So this is pod Gina, that's what they call it, and this is our pod, the summer pod. So let's get this open. Awkward door. Ah, look, there's Kasha. Is it? Three tarantulas, that's it. So this is the pod. On the outside, you've got a little seating area down the bottom here where you can chill out. There's a few like musical instruments in there. Oh, there is a light switch.
Yeah, but do you want to close the door because
Mosquito fest. There we go. It is closed. So there's a little seating area here. Go up the stairs here, and this is where we're sleeping. So it's comfortable.
Very comfortable. I feel a bit cold now because we got
Let me take my flip-flops off.
sweaty and wet when we were hiking.
There's an area to rest here as well. Okay. So it's quite nice. So this is the pod.
There's a lot of areas where tarantulas can pop in.
Where tarantulas can pop in, yeah.
Tons of holes.
They're tiny.
Surprisingly, we've got no net.
Yeah.
That should be alright.
I think we'll be okay, to be honest.
We don't know. I need to dive.
It does
here.
feel like comfortable.
I guess they can bury them easily.
Throw them away in the reserve, they'll never know. That's the thunder again.
Yeah. Can hear thunder. It's quite nice.
So yeah, this is our pod for the night. Now I'll show you the big pod, the main pod, which unfortunately we couldn't book because yeah, if you want to book that one, just book it up quite a bit earlier because I think that's popular. But it's not expensive to stay here at all, really.
No, £22 a night.
£22 a night
For a couple.
for a couple is not too bad.
No, I mean it's double our budget, but
To stay in like something cool like this in the middle of the forest, yeah, it's really nice. And we got breakfast included.
which is great.
Yeah, so they're all made from recyclable materials and bamboo, or guadua, which is what they call it. This is why it's called Kasaguadua, this resort. And the guy, he made this in 4 days. There's a few of them that made this pod in 4 days. And the other little pod I showed you, he made it by himself, the guy who works here, in a few weeks. So we'll go show you the big pod and the downstairs communal area, which is really nice. So that was our pod, and Kasia is going to show you around the big pod, which you can book.
Oh wow!
Voy a abrir arriba mientras si quieren, pues van.
¿Vamos arriba?
Oh!
Voy a abrir las ventanas de arriba y...
Sí.
Oh, so the bed is upstairs.
Yeah,
Oh!
quite cool.
Yeah. So you've got like a dining area here.
Sí, ya pueden ir subiendo mientras yo abro.
Thank you. Oh! Muy bien. Wow.
Vale, voy a bajar y pues...
Oh.
De hecho, esto es como para mirar aves y cosas así.
Oh,
Sí.
Cool.
Y tomarle...
cool. It has so many gaps. Get eaten by monsters.
You take your shoes off and get a pair of flippers over there if you want.
Yeah.
Just look at that cool on the outside. Jack Daniels and all these bottles. This is the lovely communal area. So I'll show you in here. It's really cool. So you got, well, in here you got games. It's so like homely and relaxing in here. You got books, you got more games. Look at the cool way they've done it as well. They've put all these bottles in the wall. It's a nice touch, really. Come through here. You've got a seating area. So again, it's really cozy. The kitchen where Kasia is cooking up something delicious. Isn't that right?
Did you say so?
If I say so.
Here or?
So yeah, you got a kitchen full of loads of things we can use, which is brilliant. A great view outside. Another seating area there. So if I come round here, you've got hammocks. You've got the central part of the communal area. It's raining. Seats, cool seat, hammocks. This is a 2-person hammock, which me and Kasia might lay in later. Watch, I don't know, they've got all sorts of films. I think they've got Netflix as well. So we can just relax here and watch something. Again, the bottles in the wall, such a nice touch. Just it's decorated so awesome. Some instrument, some keyboard. Kasia will play that later. Okay, so there's where you can do your washing. The washing area. If you come this way, we've got 3 toilets, 2 showers, a little area to hang clothes. Show you this toilet. So this is the toilet and the shower. It's nice. You can't take any of your own soaps or shampoos or anything. They got this. They call this the bum gun. Oh Jesus. So yeah, we have to use the bum gun for, well, I don't really need to tell you what the bum gun is used for. Ecolodge Kasaguadua. So it's just a nice, cozy place to stay, especially when it's raining like now.
It's raining?
Yeah, can you not hear the rain? I suppose you're cooking if it's raining. So we're going to chill in here, we're going to have dinner, and we're going to chill in here and play some games. We're not sure. There's a game called Risk, which we've never played before, or you could play Monopoly, or there's another guy here, he said he wants to play a game. I'm not sure what he wants to play. So what do you like about this place?
It's just so peaceful and quite cool, and they're doing the right thing, the right reason, like they're showing people nature without harming it.
Yeah.
So I think that's amazing. Like we get this amazing opportunity of staying here without ruining it.
Yeah.
Because often, like, I think places like this ruin it all. They've got those special covers. Where are they?
Covers.
They close everything up for night, so it doesn't affect any animals.
Yeah.
And,
So no light will be going
we're
out.
not here to look at the, interrupt the animals.
Exactly, so we're not getting in the way of anything. We're just having a chill time in the middle of the forest.
Yeah.
What more could we want for such a cheap price as well? Oh my, yeah. Recommend this place massively. If you're in Salento, at least do one night here for sure. If you can get the big dome, awesome. But if not, the small domes are just as cool because you've got this lovely communal area. And they can have a maximum of 10 guests at once. And they're not that busy at the moment. Not that. Yeah, our friends were here the other night. They were here by themselves, one other guy. Yeah, we've got another couple here and one guy. And so quiet. But while she cooks, I'm just gonna relax. Okay. Are we ready to eat? Thank you very much, Kasia.
It's supposed to be a pasta dish, but it looks more like a soup.
Not really. It's fine. Right, let's enjoy. You know it's going to be pitch black at night, don't you?
Yeah, I know.
So when we need the toilet in the night,
I better not drink after this tea.
we'll have
They
to go
say
in
not to
twos.
drink after 60.
What, here?
No, in general. People say that you shouldn't drink anything after 6.
And we definitely do.
Yeah.
And we're drinking the
Okay.
biggest mugs ever.
But it's 5:30.
Yeah, so...
We've got 23 minutes to drink it. Down.
Dinner, relax, in the hammock. I'll join you in a second. Comfortable
And warm.
and warm. Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I'm gonna go get some chocolate. Hopefully I survive. God. Okay. Jesus Christ. The noises. Unbelievable.
So we were laying here and we've got a friend came to join us.
Lying on both of us, so neither of us can get out.
Literally in the middle.
You're a good kitty, aren't you? So I was chilling in the hammock, watching some TV. We've come back to the pod, and we're gonna chill out. Kasha's eating bread and jet chocolate. Why do you bring a knife from the kitchen? Is it not nice? Then we're gonna go to sleep, I think.
The worst thing is, we don't have a net.
Yeah, there's no net, it's all open.
We're just gonna die. You just got tarantulas.
Can hear the animals. Good morning. Welcome. You slept really well.
Very well. I was gonna go do some meditation.
Meditation time after we brushed our teeth and everything. Yeah, it rained a lot overnight. The noise of the rain was quite soothing. So yeah, we're gonna go brush our teeth and meditate.
So we just finished our Buddha experience meditation and ceremony. We were so lucky. It's a Saturday today and they had a ceremony and we were so lucky they asked us to join, so we did. So we're going to show you what we did. We didn't want to ask them if we can record while doing it. We felt a bit like we don't want to interrupt them.
Yeah.
Incredible thing is we actually did it with a real monk. So this is the place. We had a video call with Bogota and that's where they were performing ceremony. We were sitting on, everyone, it was 3, 4, 5 of us. Everyone had a little mat. So we had all mats here, everyone had the little plate. We had one of those and 2 options to sit. Me and Dan chose this option. Oh, leaning. Ow, it's hard to do without the mat. Leaning woods. And literally the only thing we face the other way. You have to be straight. And we were meditating, trying not to think about anything. Let the thoughts pass, ignore them for we don't know how long.
Over an hour the whole thing was?
Yeah, the whole thing was for an hour.
Felt like half an hour, 20 minutes.
Then we had some notes and some, here we go, some songs and prayers. We actually joined in and sang, which was incredible that we've done that. And yeah, the whole thing was for an hour and 10 minutes, I would say, till we left. We had the candles on. The smell here, I don't know it's like an incense smell as well. It just felt amazing, like you're just kneeling here, looking at the wall and let your thoughts pass. Although we didn't really have much on our minds while traveling, you're so relaxed. But I imagine if you would be at home doing this, your brain would have just bombarded you with different thoughts. We did it with an actual monk. Like, amazing. So now we're cooking us breakfast. So if you come to Salento, I would highly recommend this place.
Let's go for breakfast.
So we've got some serious card game here. Chess game here.
Chess game. Very close.
Ooh.
Empathy.
Empathy? There is empathy.
Yeah.
Tensity. Sadly, this is the end. Dan's gonna check. Dan's gonna check for spiders.
No spiders in that one. Yeah, he's been left out all night.
Yeah, I
So-
know. We're surprised actually.
Bit damp.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It's a bit warm here actually.
You want to check yours?
Yes, please. I don't want to look if I see it.
It's fine. Oh,
I'll go water my shoe.
yeah.
Oops.
Okay, it's just wet that one.
Completely.
Unfortunately, Kasha's got a wet shoe. So I think the one bit it was dripping here was where Kasha left her shoe. So unfortunately that's the end here. We're going to head up through the forest for 20 minutes till we get to the gate. Head back into Salento, where we're going to check into our next hostel. But we've loved this place.
With one wet shoe.
With one wet shoe. Only you, Kasha. We love this place. Love the pod. They're fully booked for tonight, so breakfast was nice. Played games. Just relaxed. You look so sad.
I'll go salt shoe.
So this is the end of this vlog, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. See you later. Bye.